Today I am unboxing the APA Power Pack. This is a power pack for the car, so this will help rerun the battery if the battery is dead. And this specific package, this specific device will also help you pump up the wheels if, let's say, you have the wheel that needs some more air, let's say. And so just kind of like a all in one power pack that includes battery as well as a light. And yeah, so it works for cars, motorcycles, like caravans, and even boats. So those are the specs of it. 250A Start Hilfe, so in German, the start, so help start, Jumpstart, with 18 bar compressor. So let's see what we got. Alright, so this is here the catalog. You can put this on the side, and this comes with so this is also, let's say, for the lighter as well. You can plug in your car. And this is the charger that you can like charge this at home and then keep this in your car for whatever emergency situations. Those are the pistons for the wheel, so if you have different, let's say, wheel configurations. And those two clamps are for the battery, so the negative and the positive. And so this is for the air pressure, the compressor, and this is for the battery. So now it's turned off. This button is showing that this is now at off. Usually how this runs is that you plug in those clamps on your battery appropriate, or let's say respective negative and positive poles, and then you turn this on. So now the battery now will become on, and then it will be ready, and then you start your car, you turn on the car, and that's how it works. That's how, after doing that, then this will give electricity to your battery, just recharge it to make it run. Now, I think this already has some power inside of it. If we try quickly just to click on, well, actually, if I click on, let's say here, have the, yeah, so the light is on. You can see that it already has power inside. It's not, let's say, totally empty. And this is the, let's say, for the, I think for this one, so you can use this one also. This is for the, if you want to charge it, let's say. So you all call it like a charging here in small. And this battery level is where this will turn green, I believe, once you plug those in, the red and the black one, and then you turn this to on. And I also, since this has battery, I think if we turn this on now, this will start to make some noise to give power for the air. Yes, you see, so this has, I think, enough power to give air to some tires that need to be pumped, or also to jumpstart a car. So out of the box already, this has, you can just start it and you can start using it without needing to charge it from beginning, let's say. And regarding the air, here, if I take this out, so you can see this turns around, I believe, going down like that. And here, if I also take this off, okay, so this is basically the length of it, not totally let's say long, right? I mean, it's like around half a meter, okay, in total. So this is the length of this tube for the pumping the tires of your car or your motorcycle or your boat. But it's compact like it. But yeah, I mean, just for emergencies, that if you need it, then you have this one. And regarding the weight, this is not a light device. This is around 3 kilograms and 3/4. This is also indicated on the box here. And so yeah, just in case you wanted to know, this has 3.76 kilograms of weight. It's not totally light, not totally heavy, but just for information. All right, I hope that this was helpful to you. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and see you in the next videos.